Kendis is the complete solution to plan, manage, and track your dependencies. It supports feature-to-feature, feature-to-story, and story-to-story level dependencies. Let's start by enabling the Azure DevOps dependency links in Kendis. Under Board Settings, click on Edit Board Settings and choose the Additional Settings tab. Check the option Enable Azure DevOps Dependency. And then the next step is to select the dependencies link types that you use in Azure DevOps. The most commonly used ones are predecessor and successor. Please note, any parent-child link types that you selected while adding features will not show here in this list, for example, child. Once you select Save to close this dialog, Kendis will refresh the contents from the Azure DevOps to reflect these links. To create a new dependency, drag the cursor from the corner of the card and drop onto the target card. You may create dependencies between features, between stories, or between features and stories. On the Dependency Creation dialog, select the link type between the cards. If you select the wrong direction or the same iteration, Kendis will prompt you with an appropriate message. You may set a summary of the dependency, describe in detail what is required, set a target resolution date, or tag a relevant team member into the conversation. There is another convenient way to create dependencies. Click on the red icon and then click on the Add Dependency button. Select Stories or Features toggle and type name or ID of the items. You may also use the search option to find dependencies. Head to More, More again, and enter the Dependencies section. Here you can search for the dependency. You can create a dependency link between two cards in Azure DevOps. Once the dependencies are created, the corresponding lines will appear on the board in a blue color, and a link will be created in Azure DevOps between these items. And that's it! An effortless way to manage your dependencies with Kendis.